This is a Spark.
That one's Spark?
Yeah.
You dig it?
Yeah, I like it.
So I'm ready when you are.
Okay, well, then I'm not going to launch mine yet. Let me... All right, so here we go. I got the camera on it.
I wish I had my glasses on.
Oh yeah, look at that sucker hovering.
I mean, the wind's not too bad right now, but you see what it does with the wind.
All right, go for it. Sorry.
No, you're fine. This is the thing that I do when I'm doing my music videos. I'm like, I gotta do it again. Dude, I'll have like 15 videos of me playing the same song, and I'm like getting like so like annoyed with myself.
I know the feeling.
But it's like
I mess up, make mistakes.
When you do like the thing about music is I have to be like precise. It's horrible.
Yeah.
It's horrible. I'm not like OCD, but I am when it comes to like my music. You know, and it's like, man, why did I say it like that? Why did I do it like that? Why did I play it like that? Dang, I gotta fix it.
Mike has a channel. He uploads
Music covers.
Music covers. Check it out. What a great channel. He's a great singer, plays the guitar, just awesome. Check it out. I'm gonna put a link down below.
I'm gonna start a new channel with my originals. I have 6 songs that I'm done with, and hopefully by the end of the year I get a little bit more so I can get an album. I want to do a full length.
Oh, cool.
I'm about to do an EP.
So we're pretty much done for today. A lot of times I forget to shoot endings to these things. So I was like, man, before we leave, I need to shoot an ending. But man, his drone is really cool. The Mavic Pro 2 Zoom.
Yeah. It's hard to say. I just say Mavic 2 Zoom.
Yeah, Mavic 2 Zoom.
It makes it easy.
Man, that thing is bad. When he's flying along, I was trying to film it with my Canon, and I couldn't even keep up with it. Just not even in sports mode, that thing flies fast. Anyway, we had a great time. It's cool.
Beautiful morning out here at Bathtub Reef.
Yeah, definitely a beautiful morning, beautiful place. It was worth getting up early and driving out here.
Boats coming out.
Oh man, too bad we don't have the drones up now.
I know.
But anyway, we had a great time. It was cool meeting up with old friends. Thanks, Mike, for meeting me out here, man.
No
It was
problem,
cool
man.
seeing you
Thanks
again.
for meeting
I
me.
met this guy like a year ago, man. We've been keeping in touch ever since. He lives far away from me.
I live in Southwest Florida.
So
the other coast.
So it was a drive for both of us to meet up. I really appreciate you taking the time, man.
Yeah, man, I had a blast.
All right, so I'm Scott with Scott's Journeys, and I will see you in the next video.